So here's a bonus tutorial on the wiggle effect or wiggle expression in After Effects. So what if you want to add the wiggle effect only on like one axis, for example? So you can head back to your position, just head into your expression window. So let's start off by adding the wiggle expression to a variable or the x-axis, like so. Let's put a frequency of 3 and rate of 50. Store that, and then we need to put that value into the position, right? So we do that by storing it in an array that stores the x, y, and z data. So let's do this just to begin with. Have the initial values. So you'll see that this doesn't do anything, right? So what we need to do now is just replace the x value with the one we stored in this variable, right? So we do that by simply replacing the value. So there you go. Happy wiggling.